Today, we're gonna do a quick garden update. A lot of stuff is taking off. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all in. We're gonna show y'all what's going on. We're gonna start right here with the watermelons. These are sangrias. They looking good. I grow these primarily because they're really sweet. I get a lot of compliments from friends and family of how sweet they are, so I stuck to actually growing more of these than any other brand or any other variety. This one right down here is called Congo, and in those two pots right there that I just planted, I put more Congos, and that last one has a crimson sweet. So the goal for these is for them all to grow and meet in the middle, have a bunch of watermelons. And I was asked, was I gonna thin these out? Because I grow, the way I grow my watermelons, it's like maybe 2 or 3 in each one. I don't thin them out, and I never had a problem with it. So I just leave it alone. I just let it go 2 or 3 watermelons a whole. I never had no issues of like anything taking nutrients or choking out anything. I put plenty compost on the bottom. Yeah, that's the watermelon. And I guess we'll move right over to the peppers. The peppers are doing okay. They're not doing as good as the rest, but peppers normally take a while to take off anyway, so, you know, I ain't expecting these that soon. Over here, you got the tomatoes. Now, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are Super Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. And this bottom one, man, I'm in love with this one. I left 2 in here. I think that's what I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep 2 down here. I moved 1 that was over here over. We'll see if it make it. We'll see if it make it. But these 4 are Super Sweet 100s. These last 2, like I said before, I don't know which one is which, but one is black creme, and then one is German pink. So 2 and 2 German pink, 2 black creme. These last 4 are my volunteer garage tomato that grew on its own. I ain't do nothing to it. I ain't water it. I ain't do nothing. It grew bare fruit and everything. So that's what's in these last 4. We're gonna see how they turn out. I direct seed everything. Everything out here is direct seeded. So that's that. Okra. Now the okra was struggling in the beginning, and I think it's because it was still a little bit too cold. This was the first thing I planted. I probably got too hyped for the grow season and went ahead and planted it kind of early, but they holding on, they doing good. Now let's go to the cucumbers. Cucumbers doing great. You already got tendrils on this one, so I got to get these trellised up ASAP. Probably the next couple of days, I'll probably get that done. So you got bait alpha cucumbers doing great. I love how they look. They look lush. They don't look like nothing really doing nothing to them yet. But I had to replant a few of them right here and right here because I had some whatever it was eating the plants. So if you notice, I got this fencing around the garden now. Now over here, you know, we got our parsley, oregano, and rosemary. Ain't nothing come up yet. But I'm gonna take y'all on the outside. On the outside, I got pumpkins. Seminole pumpkins. I'll take y'all over there, show y'all that. They looking good. I just planted that out there to see what happened. I'm gonna let it do its thing all out there. I ain't even gonna fool with it. And then, in these 2 pots on the opposite side of the fence, we got a cantaloupe. Just to see what happened. You know, we got our sunflowers up top, zinnias. And then right here, we got our zucchini. Now look, these zucchini, look how big these leaves are, man. Look at that. Some big leaves. The zucchini always doing great until the vine borers come. Every year I get vine borers, and that's why I said I'm gonna grow these, harvest what I can until that happens. I'm gonna try to catch them as soon as I can, but you know, you can miss stuff. See how long they last, but when they die out, then I'm gonna pull this landscape fabric up and we're gonna plant beans. But yeah, that's just a quick update. Just want to show y'all what's going on. It just took off so fast. We had a bunch of rain. It just took off so fast. I just wanted to hurry up and document that. And yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Till the next one.